Hi dear viewers, welcome back to English Funda Kolkata. I am your Amin sir. Now I am in front of Bamni Waterfalls. It is a beautiful falls in Ajodhya Hills. Watch the falls. See, the water is rushing and rushing in a rambling sound. If you come here, you can see the beautiful sight of the waterfalls here in Bamni Waterfalls. Many of us have no conception about the Ajodhya Hills because some of us think that it is not a beautiful place, but I think it is one of the best beautiful places in West Bengal. So dear viewers, come to Ajodhya Hills and Bamni Falls, and you can enjoy the beauty of the forest hills. See, many of the person are trying to take their snaps by touching the water. Here, see. So, okay, bye.